So the thickness we are aiming for is about 5 to 6 mil. So I know this is not easy for everyone to kind of judge, but we usually reference 5 mil with a pound coin. So slightly thicker than that. If you do roll the Linzers too thin, don't be tempted to put them back together and roll them out straight away. Every time you kind of roll the dough and put it back together, you do need to allow the dough to rest. So I'd recommend putting it back together, wrapping it, putting it in the fridge, and then maybe waiting 15 minutes to half an hour before you try again. This is because every time we roll out the dough, we're actually working the dough a little bit. And with biscuits, with cookies, we don't want to overwork the dough too much. If we can avoid it, great. And I'd always recommend to roll and turn. So that means your dough is staying more round rather than you ending up with something quite long in front of you. And you can see there are quite a few cracks. The dough is cold and the cracks are normal. We will just avoid cutting into them. I like to look at my dough on the side to see if it's the right thickness. And another tip I can give you when you're rolling out a dough and you want it to be level is to kind of start in the middle and roll up, start in the middle and roll down, rather than rolling from one end to the other, because often the side you start on is thinner than the inside. So just to avoid that. So they are on the thicker side, I would say, the Linzers. And remember, you have two sides. You have the base and you have the top, and you'll have the jam in the middle. So I think we are there. One more roll. Perfect. Okay, I'm ready to cut now.